How to upload audio to the Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to go on your Roblox account, and here you have to go on the dashboard. Now once you're in, you have to click on the creations, and there are many options like experiences, avatar items, and the developer items. You have to click on the development items. Now you have to go on the audio, and here you have to scroll down. Here is, you have to drag and drop media here to upload, and here is all its assistants like maximum number of files you can upload or the format. Here you have to add the file name, like you have to add the audio name, and here you can only add the 50 characters, or you have to add the audio, and you have to simply click on the upload, and here you are able to upload the audio. After this, you have to simply tap on the upload. So yeah, this is how you can upload audio to the Roblox.